that gracilis there. And then that. So now gracilis is cut and reflected, and sartorius is 2, so we can kind of pull that up and out of the way.
It comes up a little bit to the jaw.
That way.
So it's more like it's like a Tony Stark kind of
halfway through it.
a Tim with a goatee.
So this is the deep.
I can maybe tell.
Yeah, these would be deep medial muscles.
Okay, that's offensive to George's effort.
You can kind of see how they run better too, like the
deeper side.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Pay
now
that much attention to male facial hair.
we should be able to, because of approach,
I watched this how-to video on growing facial hair. It's like something like how to grow an awesome mustache like me.
so this one down here is always where you start for your medial, deep medial muscles. That's the semitendinosus we found on the other side, on the tail. So that inserts on the tibia. And then up one more is semimembranosus. So semimembranosus has a lot of divisions in it. It just likes to do that. But so it can be tricky because it looks like a lot of muscles, but it's all one muscle. It's just a very big, kind of broad inserted muscle. So if we separate it or isolate it from the others, we can pitch the top. There we go. So that's all semimembranosus. Semitendinosus is down there. And then one up from our semimembranosus, we've got the adductors. So this is going to be 2 of them kind of hanging out together. So if I just sort of mess with it and see where it wants to divide. And each mink will look a little different. That's why it's so important to know the order, because their muscles are all going to look a little different. But I always tell people count up from the bottom or down from the top. So we have semimembranosus, and then this is adductor brevis et magnus, and then that's adductor longus. And then this one up here, the last one, is the pectineus. Usually pectineus will have these blood vessels right on top of it. Yeah, so those are your adductors: pectineus, adductor longus, adductor brevis et magnus, semimembranosus, semitendinosus. And then this is vastus medialis. And then this is rectus femoris up here.